Here's how to convert AVI to WAV. I use an app called ConvertSave. You guys can check it out with the link in the description or the pinned comment down there. I created this app with my brother. He's a software developer, and it converts images, video, and audio. So we can just drag and drop AVI into ConvertSave. We'll select our output. In this case, we have a lot of video formats. We have a lot of image, or not image, but audio formats. We're going to select WAV for that waveform audio format. And then we hit convert, and that's it. It's that simple. Convert, save. So I created this to try to get away from using all these random sketchy websites, and also to create like a super quick, efficient way for me to do tons of file conversions straight on my computer. So this is an offline file converter for desktop for Windows and for Mac. And it works really quickly, and we're fine-tuning all these different conversions as well to make them even faster and higher quality. Now we go into the advanced features here, which is something we just recently added. You can actually see the different conversions that are being used. There's a primary remux conversion, which essentially pulls the audio out of the video in this case and also copies it perfectly. It doesn't re-encode it or like recreate it. And so it changes the container, which is like the file format, and it's almost instantaneous. Now, when that fails or when that's not compatible with the conversion, it will do a high quality re-encode of the audio and pull that out for you. And then you actually have this options builder here where you can build out your own options for your conversions. And so there's a lot of different more user-friendly terms in here, like start time, end time, for trimming out sections and audio filters. You have volume in here, your bit rate. And so if you know some of these things, you can actually just click on them, select your options, and it will create the custom commands for you to do these conversions. And then you can apply those, and you can actually save them to use them later, or just use it right now for this particular conversion. So hopefully you guys find this valuable. We're actually adding a lot more features. Like I said, it converts images, video, and audio. And we're actually working on an image editor right now. So like some features inside of here where you can just like edit and crop and resize and change some of the adjustments on your image while you're doing those conversions. And we're looking at hopefully maybe doing some similar stuff with video and audio as well. So there's going to be a lot of features coming down the road. I appreciate your guys' support. Go check it out at convertsave.com or just click the link in the pinned comment down there. I'll see you guys in the next one.